How to steam a whole chicken so it's tender, juicy, and super succulent. Stay tuned. You'll be surprised by how easy and tasty it is. I just love it. Mix together the salt, ginger puree, Shaoxing wine, whisk. You can also replace it with other cooking wine or omit it if you can't consume alcohol. This type of chicken is called 三黄鸡. The direct translation is 3 yellow chicken. The skin has a light yellow color to it. You can also replace it with the regular chicken and apply some turmeric to achieve the yellow color. Apply the ginger puree, Shaoxing wine, and salt mixture all over the chicken, both inside and outside. Marinate for 20 minutes. To make the sauce, we're going to mix together the sesame seeds, garlic, scallions, red chili flakes. In a small pan over high heat, add the oil. Heat it up until smoking hot. Add the hot oil into the bowl. This will add a lot of aromas to the sauce. Add the Chinkiang vinegar and soy sauce. Whisk. You can also pair it with the ginger scallion oil. Click here for the recipe. And brush a thin layer of oil on the chicken. It will make the chicken look super glossy. Place the chicken on a plate. Put the plate on a steamer rack. In a large pot over high heat, bring water to a boil. Turn to medium heat. Transfer the chicken to the pot and cover the lid. Steam the chicken until completely cooked through for about 40 minutes, or until the internal temperature of the chicken is at least 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Remove the chicken. Shred the chicken with your hands into small pieces, or slice it with a knife. Make sure you check out my channel for more delicious chicken recipes. You can serve it with the sauce. Cooking makes me feel peaceful. When I cook, I kind of just zone into my happy place. So please comment below and share with me what is one reason you enjoy cooking. The steamed chicken is truly amazing. I just love it. You can pair it with any type of sauce that you like. Today we're eating it with chili garlic sauce and it's so good. I hope that you have enjoyed this episode also. If you like it, subscribe, follow, and like. And I will see you again soon. Bye!